Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Glide Client. First, understand that Glide Client is a robust, high-performance library designed for efficient data access. It allows developers to interact with various data sources, such as RIDIs, with remarkable speed and reliability. Its primary purpose is to streamline data operations, making your applications more responsive and scalable. You'll find it incredibly useful for managing large datasets and complex queries, saving you valuable development time. To begin, you'll need to set up Glide Client in your project. Installation is straightforward, typically involving a single command with your package manager, like pip install Glide Client for Python. Once installed, initialize the client by providing your data store's connection details, such as the host address and port number, usually 6379. Remember to configure a timeout, perhaps 5 seconds, to prevent indefinite waits, ensuring your application remains responsive. Now, let's explore Glide Client's core features. You can easily set and retrieve data using simple commands like set and get. For more complex scenarios, atomic operations ensure data consistency, preventing race conditions. A powerful feature is pipelining, which allows you to batch multiple commands into a single network request, significantly reducing latency. This can boost performance by up to 10 times for concurrent operations, making your data interactions much faster. For advanced usage, consider implementing connection pooling to manage resources effectively, reducing overhead for each new connection. Embrace asynchronous operations to ensure your application remains responsive, especially when dealing with high-latency data stores. Regularly monitor your Glide Client's performance metrics, such as command execution times and connection usage, to identify and address any potential bottlenecks. This proactive approach will help maintain optimal performance and reliability for your data-driven applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.